Welcome to TOKaudit. First and foremost, I want to thank you for installing and choosing the program. Excited to hear your feedback and any thoughts you might have. In this video, what I want to briefly do is walk you through how to install it, how to quickly use it, and any common questions and problems that might occur. Very quickly, if you have any questions that you might have off the bat, you can always visit help.toktools.com. Right here, we have a bunch of articles that help you and guide you throughout the process, as well as we have this little simple chat system right here that you can go ahead and message and talk to us one-on-one directly. Now, with that being said, the first thing you want to do is obviously add to Chrome. If you haven't already, go ahead and add it, add extension. If you're seeing this, you probably already did that. Next thing you want to do is you want to hit the little puzzle piece right here, and you want to hit the pin tab for TOKaudit. So I'm going to pin it, and then we're right here, good to go. Now, the next thing you're going to do is when you click it open, obviously it's going to ask for the license key. If you go check your email, you should have an email like this that says the annual subscription or whatever subscription you might have from Paddle, and we have your license key right there. What you want to do is go to your license key, you want to copy that code, paste it, hit login, and boom, welcome to TOKaudit. You're good to go. Now, one quick thing I want to mention very, very briefly is there's two versions of TikTok desktop as you're currently watching this. Now, I'll show you briefly what that looks like. If I go to this video right here,
this is trauma bonding simplified.
Right?
There's many different types of trauma bond.
There's the link and I go directly to the profile, you'll notice that it looks like this. Very different layout. For whatever reason, TikTok has two different versions on the desktop currently. So the reason why I'm telling you this is that you might run into the issue that when you go to a profile like this, you don't see TOKaudit working at all. Very simple fix. All you have to do is hit Control R or Command R if you're on Mac, or you just go up here and hit this little reload button. The moment you do that, you'll notice on the left side, TOKaudit instantly activates. If you don't see this widget right here, all you have to do is refresh. Unfortunately, there's nothing that we can do on our end. This is something on TikTok that they've decided to do, and we have to just kind of wait till they update and fix it. Now, very briefly, the way that you will obviously use TOKaudit is if you see the pink right here, it's scanning. You can see right here the days are gathered. Now it says profile scan complete, meaning it's scanned the entire profile. TOKaudit's ready to properly use. It's pre-gathered 109 days. You'll look on the actual profile itself right here, and now that you have the likes, the comments, the shares, the data was posted, how many video views, the video duration, as well as the ability to download the cover image and the actual video file itself. Now, very quickly, if you're not able to download the cover image or the video file, I highly encourage you to go to the support area, and I have a brief little breakdown on why that is and what's happening, etc. For the sake of time, I'm not going to go over that right now. The other thing that you'll notice very quickly is if you go back up here to TOKaudit, you can very quickly hit scan this profile, and you can scan and collect data and information within that specific date range that you selected. So in this case, let's say I want to do the last 60 days. I'll hit 60 days. You'll see the data change, and boom, everything is right here. Now, again, if you want to know what all this stuff means, you can look over here in the help support area, as well as the training areas of how to use TOKaudit in more depth. Now, very quickly, one thing I want to mention is that if you scan the profile and you go past a lot of days, like let's say you want to do 200 days in this case, I'm going to let go of the button and it's going to take over. Don't touch your screen. Well, actually, that was a bad example because it went too fast. If I scan all the days, you'll notice that it's auto scrolling for you. Just let it be, let it run, let it do its thing. Depending on your internet connection and the computer that you're on, it could be a matter of seconds or it could be up to a minute. Just give it some time, let it go. In some instances, if it takes a long time, the chances are is that the profile has a lot of videos. Like you're noticing right now, this is taking a little bit of time, basically because he has 794 videos. But you can see within a short period of time, we've already scanned 794. If I hit this button right here now, I can rearrange his most viral video of all time, which is 150,500,000 views. That's kind of astronomical. But yeah, that's the very simple, quick way to use TOKaudit. Once again, if you have any questions, make sure to check out the help.toktools. You can use the one-on-one chat right here, or you can go ahead and email support@toktools.com, and we'll be able to help you. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing what your thoughts are.